Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to cancel Creative Fabrica subscription for a free trial. But first, check a special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So if you want to cancel your Creative Fabrica subscription here, if you're using a free trial, well, canceling it is quite easy. Now, first thing that you want to do is you want to go ahead and just go to the official website, which is creativefabrica.com. And you want to go and click on your profile at the top right here. And you want to go ahead and choose the option that says My Account. Now, inside your account here, there are a bunch of options that you need to access, or you could actually access in here. But what you're looking for specifically is going to be the left panel here. So this is your Good Morning section, your main menus. And you want to look for payment, or for your payment settings here, and you should see subscriptions. Now, depending on when you're accessing this, sometimes they would change a few things here, but go ahead and just access subscriptions, and you should see the section here for your subscription. Now, the thing with managing your subscription, so like for example, you just started using your this platform here, and let's just say you started like a few hours ago, 2 hours ago. Now, you can only manage your subscriptions after 24 hours. Now, if you don't see the manage subscription option under status here, it means that your account is still on the process of being activated. So just wait for around like 24 to 48 hours. And typically, once you go back in here and click on manage subscription, you should see the option that says end your subscription, usually at the right side here. Now, if you want to end your subscription, just click on end your subscription. So you can click on it. That's going to say, by the way, they may require you to re-log in. So let's go and just re-log in into our account real quickly here. Let's go and just choose our correct account here. So this is what you should be seeing. So in this case, go and choose cancel my subscription before renewal, lose commercial rights to my files, and understand that if I cancel, the rate I'm currently paying may not be available if you resubscribe. Now let's go and click on next here once we've selected everything. Now it's going to basically tell you that you now have 26 days left with your Creative Fabrica subscription here, and until the billing cycle. So basically, your subscription will end in this specific number of days. But if you still want to get access into your files and get rights, you may need to resubscribe. But in this case, that's about it. So for this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.